Hello everyone, Florence and Joel here. Thanks for tuning in to The Hive. You'll be glad that you did because we have a special giveaway to kick off InfoComm 2018, the largest pro AV trade show in North America. Now we'll be visiting our partners on the show floor to bring you exclusive footage on all their buzzworthy solutions. Also, we're very excited because we're not giving away just one, not two, but 3 GoPro Hero cameras, which you can take advantage of and use for your upcoming summer adventure.
You know, Flo, this is perfect. Just perfect timing. I have been shopping around for a GoPro Hero myself. I mean, it's a 10 megapixel camera.
Yeah.
That can record up to 1440p at 60.
Yeah.
You know, did you know that?
Now I do.
Yeah. Not to mention it's waterproof. You can take it basically places you simply can't take your smartphone. I mean, it has a 2-inch touchscreen. You know, you touch it with your finger and it responds.
Yeah, I think that's what touchscreen means.
And it has hands-free control with voice command. I mean, better yet, it comes with a mount, so it could stabilize your videos, and you guys can take the most breathtaking selfies in the world. You know, I am just super hyped right now, so excited. How can I win one?
Sorry, Joel, but you can't win.
Say what? Why?
Oh man, dude, this is for our viewers. This is for them.
But I'm a viewer. That hurts my feelings. I watch our videos, all the time, from start to finish, you know, in my sleep, in the shower, wherever. All right. How about you tell our viewers how they can win a GoPro Hero?
Sure. To participate, all you have to do is subscribe to BZB TV to be entered. Done.
That's it?
Yeah. Now for additional entries, simply comment on this video and on any of our 3 InfoComm 2018 videos that we'll be shooting next week from June 5th to the 8th. That's an additional 4 entries, giving you a total of 5 possible entries. Now, if you already subscribe to BZB TV, thank you so much. We appreciate you all. You can also join in by commenting on this video and, as I mentioned, the 3 videos that we'll be shooting next week. So you can still enter multiple times. We'll randomly select 3 winners on our post-InfoComm episode. So you want to make sure to subscribe and also stay tuned in to make sure you find out if you won.
Wow. Very simple to enter, huh?
Yeah.
All right, man. We are so excited to get to InfoComm, and we cannot wait to see which one of our viewers gets to take home a GoPro Hero.
Good luck, y'all.
It's me.
No. I don't know, man. I'm going to make sure that doesn't happen.
All right, so make sure you guys get your early entries in, subscribe to us right now, and leave a comment on this video. All right, so thank you guys for tuning in. That's it for today. Oh,
Tell them about this.
Oh, yeah. Oh, also show your support. Give us a big thumbs up for this video. If you like InfoComm 18 or this giveaway, please like this video. Well, that's me and Flo signing off, and we shall see you in Las Vegas.